So if you make this question with replacement, suppose I select and put it back, which doesn't happen for women and men, but it may happen for some other things. Okay, in this case, the probability will be always the same. So you have 20 over 50, 20 over 50, 20 over 50, always like that, 7 times. So it will be 20 over 50 power 7. That's the probability that you got 7 women. No, all of them women. The question will say with replacement. The question will say with replacement. Here the question must say that because it's just not usual.
The question is like the old question, the first one.
Yeah.
Like the dice and the coin. How can we tell if that's with replacement or without replacement?
If it doesn't say anything, it's without replacement.
If it doesn't anything, it means yeah. But your question, when you talk about dice, this does not apply to dice. We're talking about multiple selection. Like we have a lot of things, and you're selecting from a lot of people, a lot of balls, a lot of transistors, a lot of anything, and you're selecting from them. That's just that only applies to the multiple selection example. The dice is something that repeat. That's different. And repeat exactly the same way. The coin repeat exactly the same way. Answering multiple choice question exactly randomly is exactly the same way. That's different. It doesn't have this option. Yeah.
The question asks all of them to keep reducing for all exams.
Unless if it say with replacement. Yeah. If it say with replacement, don't reduce. You just keep the probability as they are. Okay.
But this is just to know, right? Like you don't have to know with replacement.
Say it again.
This is just to know.
We will have example questions like this.
Yeah, some of the question will tell you we're selecting with replacement. Or every time you select something, you replace it back before you select again. If you tell you we replace it back before you're selecting again, it means everything go back to normal numbers, same numbers as original. So the numbers will not change every time, will be the same. So the question has to say that.